Can you build a robot that senses fire and responds on its own? Let's find out. Start by assembling the robot, connecting the Arduino Uno, flame sensor, motors, motor driver, and water pump. Then upload your code and watch each component come to life. Test how the flame sensor detects fire. Experiment by changing the sensor angle or editing the code to improve the robot's speed and accuracy. Every test helps you understand how real robotic systems work. As you build, you'll develop coding, electronics, critical thinking, troubleshooting, and problem-solving skills. You'll discover how sensors, actuators, and programming work together to automate real-world tasks. Now challenge yourself. Can you make it faster, smarter, or more accurate? That's what real engineering is all about.